the first thing that you need is a zucchini squash. Calabaza would be perfect. If you don't have it, that's fine. Just get whatever one you have, whatever squash you have, I guess. I'm just gonna use zucchini because I find that flavor is more comparable to the other. This is tomato sauce. This is a tomato bouillon. This is chicken. This is a can of corn. So basically you just need these ingredients to make the dish. And you can also, I'm gonna add some herbs and stuff just to give it an extra little kick. And let's get started. Whatever comes out. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So let me turn it all the way up. That way it gets hot faster. And I'm gonna get some butter out. I like mine with a little bit of butter. Just put some butter in the pan. Let's see, or on it. Going. There's you don't really need much to make this dish, and I'm used to using like different kinds of meat, like pork chops or pork loin. I started using like chicken more often than like pork and stuff, and it helped me a lot with my goals and like nutrition and stuff like that, because I guess because I was never used to like being worried about my heart health. And one day I was just like, thinking about what to buy, and I was like, what if I just switch things up, What would happen if I just switch things up? And for no reason, really. I mean, I just switched things up. Before you know it, like, I'm feeling like better. And I went to the doctor. The doctor was like, wow, these changes that you're making are really great. You need to continue this. And so I did. And actually, like, if I hadn't done that, I would never ever even imagined doing that, like taking that challenge, and I would have never imagined the results. So if you want to change your diet, I mean, if it's good for you, there's no reason not to. It's not like a risk. Like, if it's a health risk, that's a bad thing. If it's not, there's no reason not to. So the chicken, let me see, chicken, I'll just open this up right here. You see all that juice? And just pouring it in. chicken. This chicken. Here. I'm gonna fry this. So, alright. You can see, just putting it. And pouring the juice in the same bowl. No, the step for the chicken, like, you don't need that, but the step for the corn, when you pour the corn, like if you're using canned corn, it would be best to use it, but like if you don't, okay, fine. But if you're using canned corn, you're gonna want to save the juice because that's a lot of flavor in there. Pour some oil in. And turn the heat on medium. It's gonna heat up and we'll fry it. So just get this going. And the calabaza, let me rinse the calabaza. So like the calabaza, you just kind of just chop it in chunks. And if you make too big chunks, you can just go back and cut them down. I think I like them smaller, so I'll probably just go back and chop them smaller. I mean, when they get soft when they're cooking, you just split them down the middle, but I prefer them sauteed and the spices and stuff. Like this. So, like this. And the bouillon goes in. This is parsley. Next is chives. Okay, I'm going in cilantro. I like onions, so I'm gonna put some onions in. Okay, and the next thing is garlic. And some red pepper flakes. Not a lot. That's good enough for me. And so I'm gonna add some black pepper too. to it. You can probably add cumin and garlic if you want. Here's pepper. That bouillon's in there. Trying to chop it up. You can see that. Mix it with some of the juices. You can stir everything around so all the flavors can get incorporated. Gorgeous. There we go. Get that squash cooking. Add the tomato sauce. And some of the juice. And mix it up. This is one of my family's favorites. I'm excited. I'm going to be 41. That's like over 40. These recipes really bring back so many memories, and I guess I kind of wanted this because like I ate my cake and my cake was like triggering my consciousness to, you know, for more, I guess, for more. So you can see all the water is gone and it's burning the bottom. I'm just going to add some more juice because the zucchini is not cooked, and see what that does. As you can see, I turned it down and let the juices get absorbed. Put this over it. Put that over that. And let it cook for about a few more minutes, and we'll get back to it. So here we are. It's ready. So I'm just gonna plate up a little bit. Turned it off and grab me a tortilla and we'll give it a try. So some chicken. This is so good. It tastes fresh. It's like fulfilling, like it fills you up. It's homemade, so guys, skip the lines, make this at home. Make sure you subscribe and share. Comment if you like it. Hit the like button. Thank you for coming. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you try it. I hope you share it with your family. All right, see you guys again.